Front lip repair. It was broken by something flying from the car in front of it. Remove it from the car. The notch is for the camera, the scratch in front of. It is also from this case. This is the worst part. Fix the chipped part with hot glue. This part was divided into 3 pieces, but I modified it to 1 piece. The divided part is shown in the picture. It was able to be fixed to some extent. After this, I will repair it with glass mat and putty. Before that, sand the whole surface with 400 grit sandpaper to make it easier to paint. Apply putty, then attach the glass mat, then apply putty again. Do this 3 times. For the finer details, I use UV curing putty, which hardens under sunlight or a UV lamp. I also filled in this area with putty. Once the putty has hardened, smooth it out with 320 grit sandpaper. Degrease and apply primer. Once dried, sand it down with 400 grit sandpaper. Degrease and paint it black, then paint it clear, and it's done. Thank you for watching until the end.